Binatone. So who are you?
I'm a global marketing director for Binatone. My name is Simon.
So what is Binatone?
Binatone is a company of 55 years of heritage. We have been founded in the UK 55 years ago, and we do various brands including Binatone and Dect.
What did Binatone do 55 years ago?
55 years ago we did the first transistor radios in the UK, first handheld radio devices in the UK. That's how we started our business.
All right. And Binatone is something to do with radio, kind of?
Kind of, yes. So because we started with radio, we were looking for a name, and the founders of this company were two brothers called Dalvani. And Lalvani brothers had a sister called Bina Lalvani, and so they named the company after their sister Bina.
Nice. So what are these all the brands used by Binatone?
Yes, that's right. So we've got Binatone, our own brand. We've got Dect, is a brand for telephones. Then we've got AppStar, which is a brand that we use for our kids' tablet. We have a funny new kids' tablet with gaming buttons, so you can actually game buttons directly with controls up and down, etc. But it's actually a tablet for kids with a stand, with a pen, and with a nice orange bumper.
What does the pen do? Is it just capacitive pen? Or
Yeah, it's just a capacitive touch. We have a lot of games in there. We have 200 preloaded apps. There's a lot of drawing apps. There's a lot of writing apps. So you can use this pen to interface.
Is this on the market?
This is on the market already in the UK and in the US.
What is the retail price?
Retail price depends a bit on the region, but it's $99 US.
All right. And then you do quadcopter, small helicopters?
So these are accessories for this tablet. So you can obviously use them with normal controls or with a radio emitting signal like this. When you plug this into here, then you can control. Then you can control the copter either with controls or with gravity.
Nice. And
Same.
It works with this too?
Yes, so this is actually a very simple karaoke device. So you plug it in, we have some karaoke apps, and then you have two microphones so you can sing along, all connected to the tablet. So
how much is this and that? This?
The retail price is, I don't know.
Yeah.
I'll
but
get back to you.
Available for any country that sells these?
That's right, yes. We always sell it together in bundle packs.
And they can come off this one?
Yes, sorry, yeah, of course. Sorry. So this tablet works by itself, like this, right? So you have a separate tab which comes in different colors if you want. And then you have a stand integrated in the back.
And the processor? Is it rock chip or something?
This processor is, I don't know, to be honest. I just know it runs Android 4.1, and it's a single core processor.
Cortex A8 maybe?
Yeah, could be.
All right. So this is a Dect phablet.
Yeah, so this is actually a tablet that works together with a Dect station. So here would be your Dect station where you can plug your PSTN in, right? And then you can basically leave that behind, because after that you'll take all your phone calls with this tablet. It's a 6-inch tablet, 5.9-inch actually, has the latest Android 4.2, so 4.2.2, and basically you can just, well, we're not connected right now, but you would, when you dial here, it's not a mobile connection, it's a Dect connection. At the same time, of course, you've got Wi-Fi, so you can download apps from Amazon Store, and later we'll get Google Play certification. Then you can also download from Google Play, so we're in the process.
There's Dect inside.
Yes, so in here we have a Dect module. This Dect module actually gets charged with this charger, so it's not a USB charging device. So when you put it into here, this would be your charger.
Nice.
We also have a 4-inch. This one we have just launched. So this is a 4-inch version of this. This is right now still the biggest Android phone in the market. Right now there's a couple of competitors offering a 3-inch and a 3.5-inch. So with 4-inch, we're not only the biggest Android home phone in the market, but we are also the first to have 4.2.2 Android firmware. And then the 6-inch will be by far the biggest home touchscreen device in the market.
So that module for Dect, how does that work?
What do you mean, how does it work? So we've reworked this phone.
This is here a feature. Oh, can we move this a little bit?
Oh, sure.
It says Dect integrated in handset, PSTN.
So basically, I can tell you when we redesigned the PCB, we took out the mobile chipsets and we integrated Dect chipsets in the base.
Nice. So this is the one you use only at home, but you can do a whole bunch of other things with Wi-Fi.
And it's got Bluetooth, so you can transfer your contacts from your mobile phone to your device.
How much, maybe? Is that price announced?
We have not announced the price yet, but we'll announce it very soon.
And here, Bluetooth accessory.
So this is the brick. This phone we have launched. This is completely new. This is the first retro mobile phone ever. So this device is a phone for your normal SIM card use. So in here, if you take out the battery, you see we have a very big battery. If you take out the battery, you can put a normal SIM card inside. But with this giant battery, you can phone forever. So with this battery, 2,000 milliamp, you can have a standby time of up to 3 months.
Nice. So this is just a dumb phone. It's not a Bluetooth accessory for a smartphone.
It's also a Bluetooth accessory phone. So if you don't want to use a SIM card, you can link it to your smartphone, and then you can play music from it. You can pick up calls with it. You can dial out. You can write SMS. You can look into your call list, all connected to your mobile phone.
That's cool, no?
That is super cool. It's a huge new device. It comes in different colors, as you can see up here. It has different funky cases, like these leather cases that we use. So you can actually wear it around your neck or around your body. This is the neck style. So if you would wear it like this, wear it like this. Yeah.
Funny, right?
Yeah, I think so.
And where do you sell this?
We've just launched this in UK and in France. So in this month, we're going to start selling in the UK and France with exclusive retailers Avenir in France and Carphone Warehouse in the UK. And we're rolling out in several other countries around the world in the next few months.
Is that retail price?
Yes, so we have a basic version. This basic version with 1 month standby time will retail at £49 or 59 euros. And then we have this other one for 99 euros or 79 pounds, which is what we call the Brick Power, which has the 3 month standby time, charging of other devices, and it even has a torch.
Nice. So otherwise it's the same screen?
The same screen, everything is the same, only this one has way more, both have Bluetooth, only one has more battery. We also have a Dect phone version. So this is a home phone version of the same device, but here we use the antenna and the base to have a 1 kilometer reach with your Dect base station. So that means you have 1 kilometer distance reach with this device.
How does that work?
We have a long antenna and we have a long range antenna in the base. So with that we can provide a 1 kilometer range. So you can actually go over to your neighbor's house with your phone in your hand.
Or you can take your horse in your huge mansion's garden and just go out.
If you have a kilometer, yeah, that's possible.
It sounds like funny, but this is using the Dect.
This is Dect technology, yes. Dect technology.
How far can it go maximum? This is
1 kilometer max.
This is one of the longest Dect.
This is well, there's a category of long-range Dect phones which all have long antennas and they will all reach about 1 kilometer unobstructed view.
I want to have 1 kilometer garden. Okay, so I can use it. You can use it in the village, everywhere. Cool.
Here we just have a couple of Dect phones, different design phones that we're launching right now. Here we showcase different baby monitors.
So you work with the Motorola brand?
Yes, so we are a partner of Motorola. We do all of their baby monitors. We develop them, we sell them, we design them. So these are all monitors coming up in the next few months. Up to half a year. So this camera, for example, will come in half a year. This we've launched right now. This is a baby monitor, which you can use. Oh, somebody switched it off. This is a baby monitor that you can not only use to stay in touch with your baby, it also has a wireless sensor on the back. So with this wireless sensor, you can measure the baby's temperature and have 2 features in one. So for example,
touch it when
no, so this is a non-touch thermometer. So here you can see either baby or object. So if you want to test the bath water, that's also possible. So if I want to measure a baby's temperature, obviously my hand's going to be lower. Then you get the temperature.
And it's like an AirPod when they point at you with guns, right?
Not really. It's a wireless thermometer. It works with infrared, and it basically measures the temperature from the blood cells which are right under your skin. So with a baby, you have to do it really right on the forehead. So we tune it to baby skin and baby blood pressure.
Okay, so the baby has to get there.
The baby's lying in the crib, and you just point it at it.
Okay.
These are some pet monitors that we're launching in America right now. So these are monitors for your pet. So if your pet's playing in the garden, then you can watch it over your screen. This is a trainer. So with this device, you can either set a wireless fence around this device with a distance and train the dog to stay in its area, or you can train him with this trainer, which I don't know if it's powered on.
How much do those cost?
We haven't released a retail price for these yet because we're launching them in the beginning of the year. So this one, we haven't launched a price for this yet. So this device will basically allow you to train your dog. You will have walkie-talkie communication with your dog. You have vibration as a benefit. So you will say, good dog, and give him the vibration. So eventually, if he's far away, with vibration, you can say, you're a good dog. And this is static correction. So this, via these two connectors, will give a mild electric impulse. And that is basically to explain to the dog he's not done something correct. So this is a training concept that we've just launched.
I heard some things like that using bad smells also.
That's another way of doing it, but then basically the dog smells of citronella and we choose to do something more efficient. All dog trainers say static training is the #1 way to train a dog with an electric device.
And it's not damaging the
No,
dog?
not at all. It's like no, not at all. It's proven technology. You set it anyway in terms of sensitivity to the dog. You have 10 different settings of different static impulses, and you use it in order to train your dog to not do certain unwanted behaviors. The dog will learn because it's a smart animal, and you will not use it very often.
Something I would like to see is a dog and maybe cat GPRS device with GPS. So if the cat runs out, you kind of know where it is and stuff.
We have something in the pipeline, but we haven't launched it yet.
Anybody else do anything like this?
Yes,
It exists.
it exists. Yes.
Okay, it's not too heavy and stuff. And
No.
Okay, so just asking because you know. Cool. So Binatone is also something.
This is a company we work with that will provide us with a video connection. So this is basically for our Wi-Fi connected cameras.
So it's not baby.
Baby, home, pet, anybody who you want to monitor via Wi-Fi. We have Wi-Fi camera. These cameras are connected, and then you can show them on the net. There's a demonstration process right now, but it's like drop cam.
Drop cam.
Similar.
Which is famous.
You don't know drop cam?
I should know. Sorry. Okay.
#1.
#1.
Yeah. And here we have a couple of. This is our design phone called the Eclipse, which we've been selling in various markets under different brands. It's a very, very successful product, and we are just showcasing some ideas for the next generation.
Have to get used to that one from here.
This is just a design study, so we haven't decided yet if we're going to do it.
Nice. It's not secret. What are you showing this? What is that?
Inspiration.
The inspiration. Cool. Okay. Thanks a lot.
Thank you very much. Thanks for visiting. What's going to happen in the future? Binatone is going to launch more and more connected product propositions. We're going to be a provider of connected phones, connected monitors, connected devices around your home, and that's where the future will be for us.
Smart home is going to be big, right?
The smart home, we're going to focus on connecting people primarily.
Internet of Things.
Excuse me?
The Internet of Things or no?
The Internet of Things, of course, plays a role for everybody. So all of our products will be connected in the future. So we already have connected baby monitors, connected pet monitors. We will have connected pet trainers. We're looking towards connectivity in pretty much every touch point.